This rotary cheese grater was sent out to me so I could provide you guys with my honest feedback. One thing I noticed about this listing is that it had the little label that most customers keep this item. That little note actually reassures me that this is actually a good product. And when I first used it, I could see why people keep this product. So when you first start using your product, make sure to turn that lever forward and suction it to your countertop. This prevents slippage while you're cutting your vegetables. Now, I did try it without the suction grip and I was able to hold it in place, but it's definitely a lot easier if you use suction options. So the hand crank is really easy to move. There's not a lot of force that you have to put into making that turn, which is really nice. The cucumbers came out nice and uniform. They weren't too thick or too thin. They were just perfect. This is the shredding option. So there's two different blades. One is just regular shredded and one is finely shredded. So this is the regular shredded one. I love that I have the option to have shredded cheese without all of the preservatives. So the finely shredded cheese actually comes out just as nice. It's super fluffy. So I've used this quite a few times now and I haven't experienced any clogging. It's really easy to clean, so you can throw the blades in the dishwasher, but just wash the other parts by hand. And if you do want to wash the blades by hand, you can also use the accompanying brush. The kit also does come with a vegetable peeler. This would actually make a great gift.